In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can display video in your Moodle course. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to show you the example of displaying a YouTube video, but the instructions are more or less the same if, for example, you wanted to display a video which is on Vimeo or ClickView, for example. There are two different methods, and I'm going to show you the steps to both of these. But the best way to explain what the different methods look like is just to show you an example. In this example here, that says video lecture building dynamic websites, this is a hyperlink to the YouTube video. Now, if I click on this link, this will open a new browser window and display the YouTube video there. In my second example, I'm going to embed the video into the content. So if you have a look at this example here, this is a Moodle page. Now, if I click on the link to the page, it will open up my page and it will display the video within the page itself. So this is a preferred method if, for example, you wanted to give some background information first, just like I've done here. So now you can see how the both methods look. I'm just going to go through the steps to creating these. First of all, let's do the first method of creating a hyperlink to the YouTube video. It's best if you locate your video that you want displayed first of all. So I've got my video open in another browser window. If I go back to my Moodle course and I select Add an Activity or Resource, I scroll down and I select URL. Click Add. I need to type a name in here, and this is going to be the link for the students. You can also add a description. If you do add a description, then make sure you tick this box. Now in this field here called External URL, this is where you paste the website address. So the easiest way is to actually go to your YouTube video, find this website address, highlight it, and click Ctrl+C, or right click and copy. Go back to your Moodle site, then click Ctrl+V to paste the URL into this field. These settings can be really left at the default, but you could browse through these in your own time. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm just going to click Save and Return to Course. And you can see now my video has been created. If I click on this, it opens up the YouTube video. So that's method one. The second method involves embedding a YouTube video into a page. Although you could use a book for this or you could use a label, but for the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to use a page. So I'm going to click Add an Activity or Resource, and I'm going to select Page from the list. Click Add. Again, I need to type in a name. I can also type in a description. Click Display Description on Course Page. Now I might now want to add some background information first of all, so I can just type some text in here. Now I now want to embed the video under this text. So what I need to do is find the YouTube video that I want to embed. This is the video I want. Now I need to scroll down underneath the video, and there are some settings here, and what I need to do is click on this Share. You'll then see there's a website address here, but it's not this one I want. I want to click on the embed link. And this is the code that I need to paste into my page. So it's already selected, so all I need to do is click Ctrl+C. I go back to my Moodle page. Now I don't paste it here under the text. What I need to do is paste it into the HTML code. This might not be something you're familiar with, so just watch carefully. I don't have my full options displayed here. If you find you don't, click this button here, and this button drops down some more options for you. Now it's this button here next to font size. So this is the Edit HTML Source button. So if I click on that, now you can see I've got my text here. So after that text, what I want to do is paste the video in there. So I click Control and I click V. I can now click Update. And you can now see that my video is displayed in the page. I could also center this if I wanted, so if I place my cursor down here to the right of the video and click the center button, so I just scroll down and I click save and return to course. You should now see that my page has been added here, so if I click on the link to the page, and there you go, I got my page with my video embedded. So those are the two methods of displaying video in your Moodle course. I hope you found that useful, and thank you for listening.